In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a Latin tech house drop, like artists as Hugel did in these tracks.
Yo no voy a preguntar, yo me la llevo a la que yo estoy en Marianela, 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 Marianela.
Including these elements.
Buscando una bad girl de ghetto.
So let's start off with a vocal. We're gonna pick one from the new underground tech house spec.
Buscando una bad girl de ghetto.
The pack contains a lot of Latin vocals.
Cantándome, llama mi daddy. Quiero en mi casita, mi casita, mi casita, mi casita. Mamacita, quítate la ropa. La morena está rica pero loca.
But we're gonna use this one. Drop it in. Something like this.
Buscando una bad girl de ghetto. Costa Rica, dame el culo bien lento. Así me gusta este movimiento. Un poco más duro, mami, y me pone contento.
So then we're gonna write a bass under it. So let's use this preset from the pack. It's a simple but effective saw bass. So let's start off on the root notes. Then go up to the 5th note of the scale. Then use the dissonant note for some more energy. Just like this. Now we're gonna mix it. So first add some distortion. Then dip the high end a little bit to make room for the vocal. And some sidechain to really give that bounce. So then just duplicate the Serum and switch on the mixing to the low cut instead of a high cut. And pick a preset from the pack. We'll be using this one. Just a simple step to make it a bit more interesting at the end of every bar.
Buscando una bad girl de ghetto. Costa Rica, dame el culo bien lento. Así me gusta.
It spices it up a little bit. Then again, duplicate the Serum and pick a preset for the pack. Place it at the same spot and variate it with the other step to make it a bit more interesting again. So altogether the bass and the steps sound like this.
Buscando una bad girl de ghetto. Costa Rica, dame el culo bien lento. Así me gusta este movimiento. Un poco más duro, mami, y me pone contento.
So now we're gonna dive into the drums. First, let's pick a kick from the pack. Let's drop it in this typical house kick. Then we're gonna add in a clap. Just a small clap. Perfect. Then drop in the open hat. Sounds dope, but it's a little bit weak as well, so let's layer it with a more punchy hat. Yeah, that's a good combination. Then use this short hat as a closed hat. Place it right before and after the clap. And right after the open hat. It's a bit stiff right now, so let's get it slightly off the grid. Yeah, that's better. And then use this random kind of snare sound right here. Yeah, that's a really solid foundation, so duplicate it and turn it into a full loop. Yeah, dope. So then what artists as Hugel do is adding a lot of rim shots as well. So then find another percussion sound. Shorten it and pan it. Just like this. Then to start off the drop, I want to add a double kick to add some more energy. So altogether the drums sound like this.
Buscando una bad girl de ghetto. Costa Rica, dame el culo bien lento. Así me gusta este movimiento. Un poco más duro, mami, y me pone contento.
So now we're gonna work on the arrangement of the drop. First, let's turn it into an 8-bar loop and create a low cut animation on the master channel.
Un poco más duro, mami, y me pone contento. Buscando una bad girl de ghetto.
So just like this.
Un poco más duro, mami, y me pone contento.
And to spice it up a little bit more, I added these crashes to it.
Un poco más duro, mami, y me pone contento. Buscando una
to emphasize the transition. And I also made this clap fill.
Un poco más duro, mama, y me pone contento. Buscando una bad girl de ghetto.
Just a small detail to make it a bit more interesting. So then we can turn it into a 16 bar loop. I want to cut up the vocal a little bit.
Tento, tento.
Just like this.
Tento, tento, tento.
Then I added also this right sample to it. And make a simple right loop with a chasing velocity.
Tento, tento.
Sounding like this. Which is dope to sit it back and make it a bit more interesting.
Tento.
Then to finish it off, I want to add a synth loop to the second part of the drop. So drop in this one and pitch it in key, just put it up for semitones. Sounding like this. The track, it sounds like this. Really nice to use in the second part of the drops. And the only thing that's left to do is create a build up. Just copy over the vocal, bass. I use the low-cut animation as well.
Buscando una bad girl de ghetto. Costa Rica, dame el culo bien lento. Así me gusta este movimiento.
Together with a kick. I dropped in a small build-up loop. String sounds and some crowd effects.
Buscando una bad girl de ghetto. Costa Rica, dame el culo bien lento. Así me gusta este movimiento. Un poco más duro, mama, y me pone contento.
So that's it for the Latin takeout drop. I think it turned out really dope, so let me know what you think about it as well in the comments. Besides that, if you like the video, please drop a like, leave a comment, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all in the next videos.
Buscando una bad girl de ghetto. Costa Rica, dame el culo bien lento. Así me gusta este movimiento. Un poco más duro, mama, y me pone contento. Buscando una bad girl de ghetto. Costa Rica, dame el culo bien lento. Así me gusta este movimiento.